Hi, I'm Deric Rangell, broker-owner of Sentinel Realty Partners, and in this segment we're going to address what an inheritance advance loan is. So let's get started. Oftentimes when people have an interest in an estate, either by a specific bequeath or by intestate succession, meaning you're a family member related to the decedent, from the point of passing of the decedent, you have an interest in this estate. And so with this interest, now it serves as collateral. And that is something that you can term as hypothecate, but basically means you can get a loan against it. Now, the method with which they do lending is through an assignment of interest. And when they're doing this, essentially what you're doing is you're using a discount mechanism for the kind of loan that you're going to be getting. What we mean by that is you're going to have a loan amount that will be higher than the amount of cash you're going to be given, and that spread is the lender's profit. So an example of this is, let's say you need an $8,000 loan because you need to net $5,000. You have a specific purpose for that $5,000 in cash you need. So the $3,000 of that $8 represents the bank's profit. The $5 is the actual amount you're getting, and in about 72 hours you have your funds and execute the loan documents, and it's fairly quick and easy to get done. The thing to be well aware of is that this discounting mechanism in percentage terms is very, very high. These loans do not fall under usury law because it's an assignment of an interest. And so these rates are legal, but just understand that they are expensive. There's no qualifying for these loans, and oftentimes we've seen people get more than one. Needs change, and as the estate has to move forward, there's clean out, there's expenses, there's payment of taxes, there's a number of things that are large chunks of money that need to get spent during the administration of the probate. So these loans do and are able to facilitate a very good purpose and valid purpose. However, when you take it out, it's your money and your interest upon which to assign, and it doesn't have to be for estate purposes, especially if it's an heir. So the important thing is to understand what they are good to be used for, and how to obtain one. So typically your attorney can help you get an assignment with an inheritance advance lender. I know that we do this on occasion when people need it. But these are things typically, if the attorney sees your application and how you're going to petition, when they're taking their consultation and taking you on as a client, these are often things that are covered during that consultation. But the mechanics of how they are often are not discussed because you're not borrowing at the time and you haven't been appointed yet. So I hope this information is useful to you. If you have any other questions that we can assist with, there's a link below on the email where you can schedule a call or make an appointment. We look forward to talking to you. Take care.